You can dress like a whore. I said surrender! So, I'm about to leave LA today. I'm headed to the airport. I just turned in the car. I'm going to Austin, Texas, because Brett, one of my copywriters, those of you that want to be an entrepreneur, you have to get on calls like this all the time.
All day.
Well, no, they have. He said to check it out, so I'm gonna go check out Austin, Texas. I'll let you guys know what it's like. I remember when nobody believed in me. I made $1 million, changed the scenery. Ladies and gentlemen, I made it to Austin, Texas for Halloween. I'm gonna show you guys my costume right now. I'm gonna show you the place too. Just unpacked all my stuff. Cool little spot. The reason we love Halloween, it's the one night of the year you can dress like a whore. Ooh, full jungle boy, guys. Yo, you guys know what kind of animal lives in this jungle? A sexy beast. Alright guys, I'm alive. Yesterday got a little crazy. 3, 2, 1, let's go! But we made it, and we're in beautiful Austin, Texas. Guys, I'm back in Miami, finally, after a long day of traveling. Dory's here. She's helping me make content. And it feels good to be home.
One was like, because my friend Rene, she was like, don't do it. If you hit me in the face, Rene.
That's what she said.
You have to get water or food at some point. All right.
Water here.
All right. I'm putting the gun down in the other room. The gun has been put down.
Okay.
Open the door.
Okay. Come to the door.
I'm at the door. Open the door.
The door is open.
Okay. Hey, don't hit me in the face though. Like that shit hurts.
You hit me in the neck.
Okay, wait. Stop. Don't hit me in the face.
You know I have a good aim, right?
No, you don't.
I really do.
No, you don't.
I know how to shoot guns.
Shoot me.
Shoot me.
I got a ring light now. It's fucking over. I've been dominating this freaking social media stuff with no ring light. Now that I have one, it's over. It's over. What a beautiful day in Miami. Ooh. Life is good, man. Don't forget that. Break rules, never make them. She act up, I replace her. Make $1 million.